Welcome back to the channel. Give you an update on the 26-foot Mako. Yesterday I ended up getting 4 wisdom teeth pulled out, so there's not much progress this week just because of that. And I've been spending about 2-3 days wet sanding the bottom of this boat because we did gel coat on the bottom. We're doing Allcraft 3000 on the sides, but if anyone's familiar with gel coat, it absolutely sucks trying to get a nice shiny finish. Doing like 3-step wet sanding and then polish on your back, up above. It's a workout, let's just put it that way. But we did run into a pretty big issue that I will address in this video and show you guys. Don't make the mistake I did. We went off the old Yamaha controls. There's twin Suzuki, so the controls are a little different. And come to find out, this is a little bit bigger for the throttles. So as you can see, this console was done, but ended up bumping it out about an inch and a half, just so the throttle, this whole throttle mechanism isn't so close up against this face. Also too, when you give it full throttle, want to make sure you're able to go all the way down without punching the screen.